Go ahead. Can you read that to me?
Here are some balls. This is a red ball.
No, wait, hold on. Let's go back again. Try again. Ready?
A.
No, wait. Read this first.
This
This.
ball is red.
There you go.
This ball is red.
No, this.
This ball is green.
Good.
There are some balloons.
Good. Can you say it louder next time?
Here are some balloons.
Good job.
This is
This?
Wait, let me try it.
Okay.
This is
No, this.
balloon is red.
There you go.
This balloon is blue.
Good. Now you got it.
Here are some books. This is.
This.
Let me try it red. This is book. It's yellow.
There you go. Good job.
This is.
No, this. This. What's that word right there? You gotta read it in order, right? What color is that?
Pink.
Yeah. Go ahead, try again.
This book is black.
Good job. Oh, it's over.
It's over.